Let us learn one by one about the people of Mumbai, clothes of Mumbai people, languages and festivals and food, etc. Okay, that the Marathi is the official language of Mumbai people. Okay, and also Hindi, Konkani, and English are also they can speak. But people from all parts of India have come and settled in Mumbai. Okay, they are all follow their own cultures and speak their own languages. Okay, the popular snacks of Mumbai people are bel puri, vada pav, pani puri, and pav bhaji. The people are also fond of shrikanda, that is one sweet dish. Okay, children, as it also a cosmopolitan city, variety is seen in dresses of the people. Cosmopolitan means, I said no, people from all over the country are settled here, so that is called as cosmopolitan city. Okay, so that variety of dresses we can see that people of that Mumbai people are wearing. Okay, all that Mumbai people are celebrate that Ganesha Chaturthi and Diwali. Okay, the Parsis celebrate Nowruz. The Nowruz is celebrated by the Parsis. Okay, a week-long annual fair that is known as Bandra Fair that starts from first Sunday after the 8th September. That is celebrated by the people with all the faiths. Okay, this is done for the commemorate the nativity of Mary, mother of Jesus. That is on 8th September. That this is done to commemorate. Commemorate means for the remembrance, celebration for the remembrance of the Mary. She is the mother of Jesus. They will celebrate this festival on 8th September. Okay. Next, let us learn about the transport of Mumbai. The first railway line in India was started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. It was 34 km long. The Mumbai Suburban Railway is the backbone of the city's transport. Mumbai Suburban Railway is a transport system that involves local trains and buses run by BEST, Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport. They carry millions of people every day. Metro is also an important part of Mumbai transport. The longest sea bridge in the country, the Bandra Worli Sea Link, was opened to the public on 30th June 2009. The Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, formerly called as the Sahara International Airport, connects Mumbai to the major cities of the world. Mumbai is the main aviation hub in the country and the busiest airport in India in terms of passengers traffic. Okay, see that transport. The first railway line in India, no, that started from Mumbai to Thane. Okay, that first railway line in India started from Mumbai to Thane. That is in 1853. Okay, the length of this railway line is 34 km. Okay, that Mumbai Suburban Railway is the backbone of the city. Okay, that city Mumbai. Mumbai Suburban Railway is transport system which involves trains and buses also. Okay, this urban suburban railway transport is no that carries millions of people daily. Okay, metro is another important part of the Mumbai transport. In that Mumbai metro trains also is that also is an important part of Mumbai transport. Okay, see that the longest sea bridge in the country is Bandra Worli. Okay, that links that sea link is opened to the public on that 30th June 2009. That Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the that is formerly known as Sahara International Airport. Okay, Sahar International Airport. Before it was known as Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and now it is called as Sahara International Airport, which connects Mumbai to the major cities of the world. That Sahar International Airport, no, that connects that from Mumbai to major cities of the world. And also main aviation hub also is there. Hub means, I told you, no, that most activated part of the city. Aviation means here many aviation services are there. Okay, that busiest airport in India. Okay, next let us learn about the tourist place of Mumbai. Thousands of tourists visit Mumbai every year. Some of the famous tourist places are Gateway of India, Zoo and Museum, Marine Drive. These are all the tourist places of Mumbai. See, thousands of tourists visit Mumbai every year. Some of the tourist places are Gateway of India. The most famous tourist spot is the Gateway of India. The statues of Shivaji and Vivekananda are erected near this landmark. The old and famous Taj Mahal Hotel is also near. You may have heard that Gateway of India. You can see the Gateway of India in that picture. Okay, that you may heard that Taj Mahal Hotel, Taj Mahal, very famous hotel. Okay, the most famous tourist spot in Mumbai is Gateway of India. Okay, statue of Shivaji and Vivekananda is erected near the Gateway of India. Okay, you can see in this picture that the that old and famous Taj Mahal Hotel also is here near the Gateway of India. Okay, children.